In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor on your Ford Mustang located underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. You'll locate your electrical connector right beside the blower motor itself. On the top side of it is going to be a little retaining clip. You can use your finger. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver, lift up on that retaining tab, and separate the connectors here. With that separated, we're going to go around the perimeter here. There's going to be a few, meaning 3 8mm screws. We need an 8mm socket and our ratchet and loosen and remove these screws. Go ahead and lower that blower motor down. On the inside, we have this connector here. I'll go ahead and lift up on this tab and separate that from the motor. Now the wiring harness is held on to the plastic case here using some little retainers. We're going to use our trim tool and just gently rock that back and forth. I'm going to pop that out like so. We just separated those little white buttons there. Take your new blower motor. We're going to connect the connector to that. Take the blower motor case. I want to go ahead and line this up. Now once you have the blower motor inside the plastic case there, I want to go ahead and work that back up and into position. There are plastic pins that help you line up the unit itself. Push this up into place. I'm going to get one screw in here. I'm going to gently snug that down. That'll hold that case in place while I get the other two in. Now when tightening these down here, once that screw bottoms out, you're pretty good. You want to just gently snug those. That's bottomed out just a little bit more. Go back and double check the other two. They don't have to be super tight. Grab your electrical connector here. Go ahead and plug that together. And then insert the retainer into the case. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.